Okay, so if you're like me and love awesome, cool, old classic cars and trucks, check this out. It's a Buick Park Avenue. No, I'm just damn Camaro. Look at this thing. Look at them wheels. Bub, what do you think? This is a someone's stalled project. From the sounds of it, it's pretty much mostly done. And it just needs, well, it came here to get the interior finished, possibly painted. We'll see how things go. I'd show you the inside, but I can't get the doors open because of that whole interior business. But I think this one here, I'll do a walk around and its whole thing on a separate video, but I did want to show it. Folks, welcome back to Nasty Customs. We've got 3 gems that are just absolutely beautiful. We're gonna start with the most beautiful. I call this one Uncle Jesse. As you can see, it's got some issues. Okay, it's got some big issues. Like that, and that, and that, and this. Typical Ford things. It's a low mileage truck, like 70,000 miles, believe it or not. What it's got going for it is it's 4-wheel drive. So that's neat. There is an engine. Someone used the hood as a sled, but there is an engine. Someone's been messing with it. Distributors in there, but it's not happy looking. I think this is a 351. I don't know. You Ford guys chime in, help me out. Ugh. It is the Ranger. So it is, I mean, air conditioning truck, 4-wheel drive. Okay. This thing was kind of nice in its day. I think we'll do the full walk around on each individual one. I'm just kind of showing off at this point. This one, a Florida truck. It's also here. It's got a 351 in it. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I love this shit. So I figured you too would enjoy it. Now this one here is allegedly an ex-mud drag race truck. Allegedly. I don't know. I just noticed some broken leaf springs. No biggie. This one's got some little bit of rust. It's definitely fixable if you were dedicated. But the cool thing of what this is, and I need more help from you guys. This is supposed to be a 428. I don't know if it's a 428, might just be a 460. Allegedly this one runs, but is just wore out. So basically all 3 of these trucks, I'm gonna do a video on each one. I would put will it start, but they're Fords. I mean, you know, we know they're gonna start. That one there out of the 3 is my favorite. The best part about all these trucks is I don't own any of them. Like, they're gonna get fixed up and they're gonna go to their new homes. I don't know about this one. I kind of like this one. And it's my price range, you know? But yeah, we'll go through them all in individual videos. I just want to kind of show off what's going on around here. And this is what we're going to be doing all week. So, stick around. They told you never saw